To film slow motion and set up your high frame rates in the Sony FX6, you're going to want to press and hold the menu button to open the full menu. Within that, in the user tab, the first tab, we'll select that, go down to S&Q motion. Within S&Q motion, go down to frame rate, and here's where we choose the frame rate we want to shoot slow motion. You can go all the way down to, I believe, all the way down to 1 or 0. However, most of us want to shoot 60, and then it goes to 100 and 120. So select 120, and right now I'm leaving the setting off, and I'll show you why. So menu back to full screen, back to my shooting and frame rate of 29.97. If we do want to shoot that slow motion at 120, I'm going to press the number 1 user button here. By default, that's the S&Q button on the FX6. We've now switched over to S&Q 120, and up here you can see also 120 frames per second. So we want to get back out of that, back to user button number 1, press that. It'll let us know it's out, and now you've set up your slow motion easy button. Thanks for watching.